Have you ever been in the middle of your prayer and suddenly you feel a huge yawn coming on? Or maybe a little cough that you just can't hold back? It's a common experience and it can make you wonder, oh no, did I just mess up my Salah? Is my prayer still valid? This is a really important question many of us have, so let's clear it up today with authentic sources from our beautiful Deen. First, let's talk about coughing. The simple answer is no. Coughing during prayer does not automatically invalidate it. Our religion is one of ease and understanding. If you have a genuine reason to cough, like a tickle in your throat, a cold, or you're just clearing your throat, your prayer is perfectly fine. The scholars explain that involuntary actions or actions done out of necessity do not break the prayer, so you can relax. You don't need to restart your Salah just because you coughed a little. Now, what about yawning? This one is slightly different, and there's specific guidance on it from our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Yawning itself does not invalidate your prayer. However, we are encouraged to control it as much as possible. Why? Because yawning comes from Shaitan. There's a famous hadith reported by Abu Huraira where the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Yawning is from Shaitan." So if one of you feels the urge to yawn, let him suppress it as much as possible, for if one of you says ha while yawning, Shaitan laughs at him. This hadith is found in Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 3289. This teaches us a beautiful piece of adab or etiquette during our prayer and even outside of it. Shaitan wants to distract us from our worship. A big open-mouthed yawn can break our concentration, make us feel lazy, and distract others praying near us. That's why we're told to try our best to suppress it. You can do this by closing your mouth tightly or by covering your mouth with the back of your left hand. Doing this shows our effort to maintain focus and respect in our conversation with Allah. So, to summarize, if you cough out of necessity, your prayer is valid. If you yawn, your prayer is also valid, but try your best to suppress it or at least cover your mouth. The key is your intention and your effort to maintain khushu, that heartfelt concentration in your prayer. Islam is practical and understands our human nature. It doesn't burden us with things we can't control. I hope this helps bring you some peace of mind during your prayers. Don't let these small things cause you doubt. Focus on your connection with Allah, and He knows what is in your heart. Thanks for watching, and if you found this beneficial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reminders. See you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.